Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you're in the car a lot and have trouble with navigation like me, you're going to want to grab this. This cell phone holder or tablet holder is just so cool. There's so many neat features. So this part here slides in and out. You just have to make sure you press these buttons, and then this will slide and to extend to hold quite a large tablet. These here go in and out, so they extend in this way, or they go out this way. This part right here, you twist this to make it loose, and then you can push this out and make it any angle you want. This cup holder port here is expandable, so you twist it and it makes it smaller. You twist it the other way and it opens it up so that it will fit every single cup holder. As well as a telescopic arm, you also have the ability to switch this around. So you literally can customize this any way you want. This is such a handy tool to have in the car with you, especially since the little ones that you go in an event, they're not strong at all. This is very heavy duty. It's going to hold a lot of weight and make it so much easier for you. So this is a must-have if you're in the car a lot, especially for travel, and that is my point of view.